once you make your first break in the scales, it's a lot easier to grip. Keep your blade straight and start scaling it. And you will notice that the scales are shiny, but where there are no scales, it's not shiny. So what we want to do is try to get it all not shiny, so we know that it's all been scaled. So you can see that it's not shiny. Same thing here. So now that we've gotten most of the scales off, this is the hole near the summit right here. And what you're going to do is make an incision all the way to the head. And what you want to do is separate this fleshy part from the head and cut it right up to it. So basically you're separating it this way. So these two need to be separated, and if it's together here, just break it. And the reason you do that is so that you can gain access to the gills. So here are the gills, right there are the gills. And what we want to do is try to get those out. We'll just pull it out. It's not a job for the faint of heart. And you just kind of rip the guts out. And sometimes you can use the knife, but others can use just your fingers. And these are the guts. And here you have your clean porgy or scalp that is actually ready for light battering and seasoning and frying it in a shallow frying pan. There you have it, from Nantucket. Happy fishing! More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!